Hi, this is Prem. Welcome to Post Market Report dated 9th April 2024. First, let us look into the US market. Ahead of the CPI data, which is scheduled to release tomorrow, 10th April 2024, all the three indices traded flat yesterday. So, absolutely flat, ended absolutely flat yesterday. And if you look at the indices futures, all the three indices were trading more or less flat today. So the market is waiting for the clue from CPI data, because overall whatever the data we received in the past 1 month, they were not favorable for the rate cut which we discussed yesterday. So based on tomorrow's data, then market may take a direction. That's what I feel. Bitcoin again trading $72,000 and above. Nikkei up by around 1.3% or 450 points higher today. Nikkei has recovered whatever it has lost last Friday. So yesterday around 350 points higher, and today around 450 points higher. So overall put together around 800 points higher. Last Friday Nikkei had lost around 750 points, maybe because of profit booking. The entire loss was required in last 2 days. So if you look at stock specific, more or less all the stocks in US traded more or less flat except Tesla. Tesla, there was an announcement about a robot taxi to be unveiled in the month of August. Because of that news, Tesla stock was intraday, it was high more than 5% and finally ended 4% higher. So this is the update from US and Asian market. Coming back to the Indian market, Gift Nifty showing a gap up of around 60 to 90 points today. In the similar manner, Nifty also opened gap up of around 60 to 70 points today and traded with the same positive momentum for the first half of the day. Then gradually decreased and ended flat. Nifty was down by around only 23 points today. Bank Nifty also at one point in time up by around 350 points, but up 148 points today, Bank Nifty. So this is the update about Nifty and Bank Nifty today. Stock specific, BofA Securities positive about Infosys. So the stock traded about 1% higher today. This is mainly because they are expecting Basel III related projects in the BFSI project, which may increase the spending for its customer, and that may boost the revenue for IT companies. So Infosys traded positive, and most of the IT stocks traded positive today. Jefferies retained a buy call for Grasim Industries. Target price is 2,600 and indicating around a 14% rise. There are two block deals today. One is Axis Bank. So Axis Bank around 3.02 crore shares of Axis Bank changed hands today. So Bain Capital seems to be the seller of Axis Bank shares today, but the stock up by around 1%. Another two entities, Nicomac Machinery and RP Advisory Services, both put together sold around 4.4% of Gland Pharma. So the stock, the block deal was around 1,400 crore. Today, metal stock traded higher. It's mainly because of the surge in copper price in the international market. If you look at Hindustan Zinc up by around 15%, Hind Copper up by around 8%, Vedanta, SAIL, Nalco and Hindalco all traded higher. So today probably we can say it's a metal stocks day. So all metal stocks traded higher. Reality stocks also traded higher. Godrej Properties, it's mainly because they exceeded their estimation of order booking by around 61%. So because of this, Godrej Properties up more than 5% today. So Brigade, Soba, so other reality stocks were also trading higher. There is a report about Indian weather. The SkyMet weather forecast a normal monsoon for India. So this is a very positive news. So RBI probably they are looking at the monsoon to reduce the interest rate. So if the monsoon is good, then there is a chances that RBI might consider to reduce the interest rate. So right now we have a positive news about the weather, but RBI might wait and look at the actual weather conditions before decide on the rate cut. Swiggy is planning for an IPO. So the IPO size is around 1 billion. So overall it's in the company market capitalization seems to be around 12 to 13 billion, and the IPO size is estimated to be around 1 billion. Swiggy itself has changed its nature from a private limited company to a public limited company. So very soon they will be probably going for an IPO. So these are all the updates from the Indian market today. But overall, if you look at Nifty is in consolidation position. Yesterday we discussed, so Nifty trading above 22,500, so it is likely to consolidate and trade between the range of 22,500 to 22,700. Since the consolidation is happening in the US market, and US market also waiting for the CPI data, which is scheduled to be published tomorrow, that is 10th April. So till that time probably the consolidation will happen globally. Once the CPI data is out, then the market may take a decision. So overall, whatever the data that we are receiving from the US market, they are indicating a stronger and stronger economy for US market. So let us wait and see. If the CPI data is again indicating a stronger economy, then the chances of Fed rate cut seems to be fading away. So let us wait and see what happens in the CPI data. The CPI data forecast is 3.4%. The previous CPI data is 3.2%, because all the economic indicators seems to be a positive one. Probably the forecast also predicted something 0.2% higher than the previous one, which is 3.4%. So let us wait and see. Another one is the treasury 10-year treasury bond, which is trading at 4.4%. Again, that is also creating a nervous among the traders in the market. So they should, if it increases further, then probably which is not good actually, because it might spike the inflation. So but previously when it increased, then probably slowly it started decreasing, but this time we have to see it's gradually increasing and crossed the 4.4 market. So these are all the updates for today. Let us wait and see. Thank you for watching my video.